to show how to create Excel reports from within Dynamics GP 2013. Within each of the modules, there is a section for Excel reports. In the Excel reports, there is a robust list of predefined data sources that will allow you to access just about any information you can think of. These reports can be used to publish basic lists of information or more sophisticated reports and KPIs. For example, to produce a simple customer list is as easy as viewing the list. Now, one of the beauties of this is that this is going to create a permanent connection to the database so that I may redistribute these reports to people outside the normal use of Dynamics. For example, I could circulate this as a list for mailings or to the marketing department or so forth. I simply save the file, and anyone in the organization will be able to open and refresh the file. This data is secured by predefined data roles in the Microsoft Dynamics GP database. A more sophisticated use of this might be to analyze sales data. For example, I might want to analyze individual inventory items and their sales. Here I'm going to start a new report, but this time instead of going to a table, I'm going to go to a pivot table. I'm going to place my pivot table here, and again I'm going to have a permanent connection to this worksheet. I'm going to select my extended sales price, which is my total sales. I want to analyze this by both the item description and the item category. So I'm going to select item description for my rows, item class for my columns, and here I have a quick and simple pivot table that I can use to analyze this information. I can make it more interesting by inserting a chart and I now have a permanent report that I can circulate to users throughout the organization that will auto-refresh simply by right-clicking and refreshing the data. That's one of many examples on how you might use this tool to distribute information throughout your organization.